I know you all may wonder, hey, once I choose a van, what should I do as far as getting ready, getting it prepared on how to hit the road thoroughly? So tune in. I'm gonna show you guys on what I look for and what I do, pretty much just a pre-wreck, pre-trip inspection before I hit the road. So basically, what I do is I like to check all the components under the hood. Pretty much what I do is I inspect under the hood, make sure I got washing fluid, windshield wiper fluid, making sure I don't have any leaks or anything in the engine, making sure everything is topped off and ready to go. So quick pre-trip, everything looks good, nothing's leaking or anything like that. And I go from there, I check underneath, make sure I'm good to go. That's pretty much it, y'all. I check the tires, making sure I got good tire pressure. Check the tires, make sure they're good. Come over here, just check all around. And I come in, make sure. Now this particular van is a Ford Transit 250 low roof. I haven't encountered any hindrance. As far as like hauling different freight and stuff like that. So no setbacks as of yet as far as I can haul generalized pallets, normal freight, medical equipment, things of that nature. I like to keep a dolly on hand. This is for getting in and out of like apartments and stuff like that. It's always good to have a hand dolly. Just some stuff behind that. I got some tarps, PPE equipment. Real simple, guys. Real simple. Keep it simple. You know, it'll take you far. Take you a long way. I check the back. Just to keep a clean space. I can fit, generally with this van, I can fit 2 skids in there, flush. I keep straps on the side to strap those up, you know, to secure the freight, make sure it doesn't fall or anything or slide when I'm driving. And that's what's most important, making sure that, you know, your customer's freight is secure, safe, and it gets there from A to B safe and sound. Alright guys, come on in with me. I get in the van, pretty much you powering it on. It's December, winter time in Texas right now, so it's not too cold, but it is pretty chilly. So before I take runs and stuff like that, I try to fire up my engine and just checking basically all my gauges and stuff like that. You know, making sure that you got a significant amount of fuel is always good. And yeah, from there, guys, it's simple. It's pretty simple. Not too much to it. This time of year, it's with it being the holiday season, it's not really picking up like that as far as freight needing to be moved. There is a lot of opportunity out there. You just got to do your due diligence and search for it, most importantly. But yeah, it's going good. It's going good. And you guys, I'm just here to motivate you guys and to give you guys an outlook on what it is to starting your own cargo van carrier service and getting up and running. So if you guys like more videos like this, stay tuned, and I got plenty more to come. I like to keep it verse around this time of the year, holiday season. I like to stay close knit. I don't really like going too far, but that's just me. You guys can do whatever you like to do. I'm not here to tell you, hey, you know, stick to one certain specific lane of operation. You guys could choose. I'm just here to give you guys the knowledge and the wisdom that I have to take you guys to the next level.